Another week, another video. Well, another Wednesday. 2 videos, 1 week. Come on. So yeah, as you can tell from the title, we're literally just fitting a Prodrive SunStrip properly. So let's just see how it goes. I hate doing these things. Such a pain in the arse to get them good.
Yep, we're gonna get it done.
Past glass and just cleaning up the area where we're going to be putting it.
It also helps with doing it as we're going to do a wet application. So.
There's the SunStrip next to a cheeky Domino's. Hold tight. Hold tight the sliders and socks. Every week, sliders and socks.
So this is the SunStrip I went for. Big ass Prodrive one. So
let's get it on. R.I.P. So we're having the centre of the D on that little mark there, because that's dead centre. So it's going to look something like this. Something like lower. Something like that. See it? This.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Don't actually look too bad.
There's a couple bumps on the O, but that's from where we mopped it up and the back paper got wet, so it didn't all come off.
But it's not actually too bad. Can't be mad at that.
Mate, it's a Wednesday, so you can't complain.
So that is how you put a Prodrive, well, not a Prodrive, just put any SunStrip on, water method. Make sure you get all the bubbles out, and it'll look pretty sweet. So hope you liked our little video, hope you liked the montage, hope you liked the Prodrive SunStrip. Stay up to date with our videos, subscribe and like all that good stuff, and we'll see you next week. See you later.
Hey, basically got a JDM EP3 exhaust manifold and cat. Loads more free flowing than the standard one